Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to install Google Antigravity IDE and set it up on your system. Google Antigravity IDE is a modern AI-powered development environment built to make coding faster, smarter, and more efficiently. Whether you're just getting started or you're an experienced developer, it offers a streamlined development experience. Now, let's install Google Antigravity IDE.